All right, so my name is Chris Crotteau. I am at the PHCC CONNECT 2025 Grand Rapids, Michigan. And one of the new things we have for Navien this year is a heat pump water heater. So we came out with this because of the fact that more and more residences or even multifamily are going with electric these days, in part because natural gas is supposed to go away or is becoming less of a desire by some homeowners and by some businesses. Also, electric is becoming a concern with larger sizes and what's going to happen in the future on that. So we came out with our design on this, similar to other brands, as far as certain things like the capacities. We have a 50, 65, and an 80-gallon tank, but then there's some things that we did differently than some brands. The biggest difference is we went with a stainless steel tank, and what that gives us is the need for no anode rod. Other brands have a steel tank with some sort of a liner built in, which means they're going to have an anode rod with their piece of equipment. Other things that we did, sometimes matching up, some are different than other brands. We have side connections and we have top connections. They're not mix and match, so they both have to be side or they both have to be top, but that is something that most brands either will not have or they'll just do things a little differently on that. With this stainless steel tank, we are going to be able to do a recirc on this product through the home or through the apartment complex, whatever that may be. That is not programmable in the unit itself, so there will be a separate pump along with a timer or an aquastat that would need to run in order to do that process. Like all of our other products, we have a built-in startup wizard that would come with this unit. It defaults to a mode called Eco mode, and basically what that would be is we're going to rely heavily on the heat pump, and then when the temperature drops below on our recovery, we will engage the electric portion of that. But there are also other methods where we can go more reliant on the heat pump, or we can go more reliant on the electric, where we're going to get quicker makeup capacity. There's also a vacation mode, which then allows the homeowner to basically, they can program that in, and all it's going to do is ramp it up to kill Legionella. Beyond that, a lot of other things remain the same to other brands. We can duct our product. It uses a standard connection, so you can just hook up a standard adapter and then go up the side. There is no special piece that has to be purchased through us, but you don't have to duct it. It's just a matter of certain volumes of air that are required, which isn't in our manual and can be addressed at that point. As far as maintenance goes, there basically is the screen on the top. You're going to clean this. Ideally, they're going to go ahead and drain off any sediment down in the lower drain there, like they would any other tank style water heater. The one thing about this unit is it does come with a 10-year warranty out of the box standard. We do not have a 6-year warranty where you pay more for the 10. We just went with a 10-year warranty. That warranty is subject to the whole product. If the heat pump goes bad, we're going to just replace it as an entire unit though. We're not going to say you need to go ahead and replace the compressor or you need to do any charge on the refrigerant. The entire piece gets replaced. If it's the compressor, heat pump, or the tank, if it were to be an electrical element, those pieces are replaceable. They are non-proprietary. Other brands could be used in the future if needed. We'd like to stick with ours, obviously, but as long as the KWs and everything matches up, those can be gone with other brands. That's basically it in a nutshell. If you got any more questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to our local representatives.